Hey everybody, so we got a quick video, some items I picked up from Walmart, some items that we might be doing reviews on later down the road. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I picked up quite a bit of items from Walmart today. We went to two different Walmarts, and then I'm just going to throw in the two AutoZone items that I picked up as well, or three little items I picked up from AutoZone. But the totes, I picked up all these two totes, which I've picked up before. This tote I've picked up before, and this one I've never picked up before, but picked up the totes and everything that's in them. We're going to go over what's in the totes, not necessarily the totes. So, pull this out. This is one of the items we picked up. This is one of the other items. These are from AutoZone. So, put the totes aside. Got everything out of there. Alright. So, a lot of these are cleaners and car care stuff. And we have an electronic item in here as well. This stuff aside, so we'll talk about it as soon as I get everything unbagged. There. We'll unbag these afterwards. Alright, so move the camera over here. Alright, so these are all the items that I picked up. This is the electronic item. But we got we have a couple Mcguire's items, couple turtle wax or hybrid solutions turtle wax items, and a couple other things. So I picked up, this is a little car wash bucket trolley. You can put a 5-gallon bucket in this, lock it in, and two of the wheels out of 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels have locks on them. Got these little wing bolts to lock the 5-gallon bucket in. I'll probably go pick up a couple 5-gallon buckets from Home Depot or something. Picked up, I have a lot of these style waxing applicators. They're microfiber applicator pads, but these actually have Velcro. It has a Velcro gripping handle. So I thought, you know, I get 5 pads, and all I wanted was the handle. So, you know, it doesn't hurt to have, you know, more pads. I picked up Project Farm. I'll leave a link to his video up here. I did a video today on this ceramic spray coating. It actually won. It was the only one that took the most abuse on degreasers and everything else, and this wax still stayed on the vehicle he used it on. It's ceramic spray coating. Spray on and clean dry car for credible shine and protection. It looks like a good wax. I picked this up, and I figured I'd also give the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer a go as well. And then I picked up the Turtle Wax ceramic wash and wax. It's actually, you know, helps you wash it, and it waxes the vehicle while you're washing it too. Pick those 3 up. I've been using Turtle Wax for a very long time. You guys have probably seen in videos, you know, way back in my archives, that, you know, the very old Turtle Wax clear ice bottles. I also picked up this wash and wax from Meguiars. It's a hydrophobic polymer wax. I thought I'd give that a try as well. And then Gold Class car wash from Mcguire's. I picked up 2 bottles of those because they were on sale. And this can be used in foam cannons for pressure washers. I thought that was pretty neat. And I didn't do a video on it, but I will grab these 2 bottles as well that I had on the toolbox. I grabbed 2 bottles of this Mcguire's Ultimate Compound Color and Clarity Restorer. Cuts as fast as harsh abrasives, obsoletes traditional compounds, and this is clear coat safe. I am trying to bring back the shine and luster in the 4Runner, and there's a lot of parts on the 4Runner that are actually fading really bad. And Project Farm also did a video on this, and I'll try to link both of those videos up here. The videos with the hybrid Turtle Wax solution wax that he used, that video, and I'll link the compound video that he did as well up here in the cards for you guys. But Project Farm did a video on this Ultimate Compound, and it actually did bring back some of the paint color on the faded section that he used it on. I'm not going to read everything in here, but it also helps. It's supposed to, for removing paint defects, oxidation, scratches, water spots, and blemishes without scratching. So it's kind of like a rubbing compound. Most of the rubbing compounds usually have like sand grit in them, stuff like that. And I grabbed a couple of those, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. I'll just put them right there. I grabbed 2 of these tool caddies you could put on the 5-gallon buckets. I thought was pretty neat. It fits 3.5 to 5-gallon buckets. You know, they were $3.80 a piece. I picked up the dolly. I think the dolly was about like $5. And then I picked up this J5 Create USB-C to 4K HDMI cable. The only way I'm able to do this concept is to use that Desert West multi-hub that I showed the other day. It basically allows you to run, the HDMI port on a laptop to, or the HDMI port on a TV to the USB-C port on a laptop, or HDMI port to a TV to the USB-C on your phone, stuff like that. This was $29. And then the AutoZone items that I picked up were just some valve caps. And I grabbed 3 of the same one. They're just little aluminum green grenades. I thought they would be pretty nice to change it up a little bit. I've been using the same caps for like the last, I don't know, 10 freaking years on my vehicles, so I figured, I'll just give something else a try for a little bit. But that's everything I picked up. A lot of this stuff I would probably be doing, you know, down the road reviews on, to give you guys my opinion of how well it worked. You know, I'll give a review on, you know, the bucket trolley and the tool caddies, let you guys know, you know, after the first time I use them, if, you know, they help a lot or if they're, you know, junk. I'll let you know if they break or they hold up. The ceramic spray coatings and, you know, all of this stuff, I'm not going to do anything like Project Farm or anybody else that's using them as testing. I'm not going to rip a hood off a vehicle just to waste product and spray it and try to destroy the product, you know, with anything I could find. You know, Project Farm did a very in-depth video on degreasers and, you know, even harsh cleaners and seeing how long these items will last. I'll just leave the cards for those videos up in the top corner. I'm more and less, if I'm going to do any reviews on these, it's going to be one of those I've used it quite a bit, give you my opinion of it. I don't want the video to be too long. I am going to try this Mcguire's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm going to try it in a soap cannon for a pressure washer. I think I might try this one in a soap cannon as well. I don't know if it will work or not, but I'll figure it out. I'll probably also try this ceramic wash and wax from Turtle Wax, but you know, just figured I'd let you guys know what I grabbed, you know, what you guys can expect. I'm sure most of these will work out great. I usually just use Dawn dish soap to wash my vehicles, but, you know, I don't normally buy, you know, the expensive $10, $12, $14 bottles of, you know, specialized, you know, car wash soaps, but, you know, maybe it will clean bug guts and stuff off a lot easier. I will do a separate video on the unboxing and, you know, specs and information, probably a test video on this HDMI to USB-C cable. It does 4K at 60 Hertz. I'm not gonna do an unboxing of these valve caps. I'm just gonna put them on the vehicle. Appreciate you guys' time hanging out with me today. Please go like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon if you guys want to have future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will have some socket videos coming up soon whenever they get here from Astro Pneumatic, so keep in mind that there's a couple other tool videos coming up. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!